The dash mechanic is what separates beginners from skilled players. Dashing lets you cover ground quickly, dodge attacks, or extend combos, but many players don't realize it's not just about pressing one button. Timing, stamina, and environment matter. Hey guys, what's happening? How to dash ink or how to dash in ink game. So, basic dash controls. PC or keyboard, usually double tap the movement key or WASD for movement, or press shift plus direction. Console and gamepad, double flick the analog stick in a direction or press a designated dash button, often tied to B or circle. How dashing works. Each dash drains a portion of your ink stamina bar. Spamming dash without managing stamina will leave you wide open. Right? The first half second of a dash usually grants invulnerability. Right? This means you can dash through enemy swings or even projectiles if timed correctly. Canceling moves. Dash can cancel out of most heavy attacks or long animations. Advanced players use dash cancels to chain combos endlessly without leaving openings. So, if you dash in rhythm, tap, wait, and then tap, right? You move faster than sprinting. Perfect for speed runs. Dashing dashing diagonally lets you cut across arenas faster than moving straight. Many maps are designed with diagonal shortcuts in mind. Some areas allow dash into a wall, then immediately redirect for movement. Skilled players use this to slingshot across tight places or tight spaces. So, practice dashing through enemy attacks instead of away from them. Mastering dash as a defensive and offensive move makes combat way smoother. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.